Welcome to the weekly update. It was great to see the Unity Day celebrations throughout the district this week. Kindness, acceptance, and inclusion are important, and it's incredible to see and know that while we are all different, there are many things that unite us and bring us closer together. That's what makes our district so special and our school community even stronger. Speaking of coming together, I had the opportunity to meet with the students in the Superintendent's Inter-High Advisory Council, SIAC. It was an opportunity for me to learn about the potential community service initiatives they're interested in and gain an understanding of the supports they feel would be beneficial and impactful to fellow students. I'm looking forward to meeting with them again and continuing our discussions. Today, I also joined Williamsville North seniors in their government and social studies classes. Along with Principal Caniglio, Board President Leatherborough, Board Member Beeger, and Mr. Miller, we answered questions and discussed decision-making, policy-making, and being active in the community. The students asked thought-provoking questions, and it was great to know we have thoughtful, well-informed students who will be leading our community in the future. As we approach the first music performances of the fall season, I want to share that each school will also be streaming these events for the families. We know how important arts education is, and providing an opportunity for families to view these performances if they're unable to attend or don't feel comfortable attending in person during the COVID pandemic. Our students and staff work incredibly hard, fine-tuning and rehearsing for these events, and we're looking forward to celebrating their work. Finally, this week is School Board Recognition Week. I want to thank the Board of Education for continuing to support district initiatives and create an inviting educational atmosphere for all of our students and staff members. Enjoy the weekend, and we'll see you next week.